In a complex, challenging, competitive marketplace that we live in, it's finding the vital few amongst the trivial many. And if we're doing for so long, and we just keep doing, we keep our head down, we eventually hit a ceiling. And the ceiling is what I call the ceiling of diminishing returns, where it doesn't matter how earlier you're getting to the office or how late you're staying, your value, your outputs are going to be what? They're actually going to go down. In the age of the knowledge worker, we still spend a majority of our time doing rather than we do thinking. To attain knowledge, add things every day. To attain wisdom, subtract things every day. When Steve Jobs went back to Apple in the late 90s, there was 350 projects that were on the table. 350. How many projects did Steve say no to that he subtract? 340. And they only focused on 10. The late 90s, early 2000, those some consider that the golden years of Apple. When they really, stock was incredible. And it was all because of the ability to what? Focus, subtract. If we can't do the 350, we just got to pick the 10. And we live in a world that we have so much information coming at us nonstop, right? On our smartphones, everywhere. We're inundated with information. It's almost kind of like we've been drunk, we're drunk on information, but yet we're starving for the wisdom. As the owner, you set the context of how your people think. And so that's what we want to get back to. We want to get back to that feeling that you're winning again. That feeling that you know what your priorities are. What are we busy about? And that's what I really want to spend some time today to really focus on and to reflect on is what are we busy about?